Welcome back to Adam Quiz. Can you guess the fast food chain just by emojis? Let's find out. Can you guess the fast food chain? Good start. It's Burger King. Guess the ice cream brand. It's Cold Stone Creamery. Can you guess this crispy chain? It's Popeyes. Which fast food place is this? Perfect, it's Subway. Guess the fast food chain. It's Taco Bell. Can you guess this famous coffee spot? Starbucks! Guess the fast food chain. It's Pizza Hut! Which pizza chain delivers fast? It's Domino's Pizza. Guess the burger chain. It's Whataburger. Which burger brand is this? Keep going, it's Five Guys. Guess this ice cream brand. It's Baskin-Robbins. Can you guess this fan favorite chain? It's Raising Cane's. Which fast food chain is this? It's Wendy's. Guess this wing restaurant. Correct, it's Wingstop. Can you guess this classic American chain? It's Big Boy! Guess the dessert chain. It's Great American Cookies. Which chicken chain is this? It's Chick-fil-A. Guess the coffee and tea brand. It's the Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf. Can you guess this modern burger spot? Shake Shack. Guess the famous drive-thru burger place. It's In-N-Out Burger. Which fast food spot is this? It's Wing Street. Guess the restaurant. Yep, it's Hooters. Which fast food chain is this? It's Panda Express. Guess the sandwich chain. It's Firehouse Subs. That's a wrap! Craving any of these right now? Hit the like button if you love fast food quizzes.